Comes off like that. Alright, so I've just taped the vacuum cleaner in. Just going to seal up this inlet, get this inlet, and then let's see if we can get something to suck through it. So we'll use some marking tape, cover these holes up. This is both mine, so. Alright, so let's fit. So, let's just try this. There we go. Okay, so that's a nice tight press fit. Actually, you want to have that opening facing away from your intake. Clean this out properly. There's absolutely nothing in it. Go down the floor. Alright, so you can see, hope you can see, that's totally empty. Okay. Here we go. Something with pretty much the same strength as it had without the separator on it. Simple bolt straight over that. I don't know what that was, but it's in there. Alrighty. Well, let's have a look inside the vacuum cleaner. Pretty clean. We'll lid back off of this one. I'll have to cut this, I think. It's a pain in the arse to get this lid off. I need to make the tool to get the lid off. It's a good seal, eh? Alrighty. And that's what it's picked up, so I'm pretty happy with that. So, maybe it's under $10. Pick up these buckets anywhere. Don't have to be one of these buckets, so long as you can seal the top. I'm probably going to cut the bottom out of this and mount it onto a larger rubbish bin, so that I'm only having to open it and empty it every now and then. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. It's that's pretty good.